Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 850, and today's topic is the improvement of chemical and biological properties of soil, that is salinity of soil, by the application of liquid fertilizer, or we can call it organic solution culture. It has been found that once this liquid organic fertilizer is applied on soil, there is drastic change in biological, chemical and physiological changes in the soil. First change is that the micro and macro organisms in the soil will multiply drastically, and also there will be multiplication of earthworm because of its porous property, and other microbes will be active, and it will also produce extracellular enzyme, and these extracellular enzymes, they are very active in positive ways to maintain the soil and also to protect from toxic microorganisms, and it also improves the salinity of the soil. When we say salinity of the soil, means the water soluble different type of salts concentration, and that different type of salt concentration around the root of the plant plays very important role, and that is the salinity of the soil. So by the application of organic fertilizer with all those microbes which are multiplied, they are still active, they play a very important role, and they will not allow the more water to be taken by the root, and around the root all those salt ions will be concentrated, and with the help of osmotic pressure, lot of nutrient ions will be taken by the root, and in this way there will be proper growth of plant and its production will be affected. Secondly, it has been found that by the application of this organic fertilizer or organic solution culture is changing the pH of the soil. By the application of synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, insecticides, the soils become acidic. But here, once we are applying 3-4 times this organic liquid fertilizer or organic manure, it has been noticed that from 6.4, I mean slightly acidic soil is changed into either neutral or slightly alkaline, that is 7.6 or more. And also this organic liquid fertilizer will make soil slightly alkaline or neutral, and also some organic nutrients will be multiplied, microbes will be drastically multiplied from 10 to power 10 to up to 10 to power 5. So all these drastic change will be there, and overall drastically your, I call it, health of the soil will be improved. Farmers will be getting more yield, and by putting less money, and it is eco-friendly. So this organic liquid fertilizer is playing very important role in improving the salinity. So the improvement of chemical and biological properties of soil, that is soil salinity, by using liquid organic fertilizer, or we call it organic solution culture. Number one, organic fertilizer, that is organic solution culture, changes the biological and physiological properties of soil In this way, soil becomes favorable for plant growth. That is first condition, that once we are using this liquid organic fertilizer, it plays very important role in improving the overall health of soil, or we call it fertility of the soil. Number 2, the biological properties of the soil seem to change drastically in terms of micro and macro soil biota. That is very important. By applying this liquid organic fertilizer, micro and macro soil biota is changed, and it is also noted that organic fertilizer microorganisms have the potential for producing extra cellulitic enzymes, and this is very important, because this fertilizer is having potential to produce extra cellulitic enzyme, and this extra cellulitic enzyme plays important role, help in inhibiting the growth of soil-borne pathogens. So once this extra cellulitic enzyme is produced by the application of this organic solution culture, that is liquid organic fertilizer, it will inhibit the growth of soil pathogen, and in this way it will protect the growth of plant. Number 3, chemical and biological control by liquid organic fertilizer is the combination of different mechanisms, among which the most important are: A, competition of nutrients. So it will open the door. Once we apply the liquid organic fertilizer, it will open door for the competition of different type of nutrients which are present, and they will be concentrated around the root and root here, and that is called the salinity of soil. So it will drastically improve the salinity of the soil. B, it will help in the production of volatile and non-volatile antibiotic chemicals. You know that once antibiotic means those which are either destroying, damaging, or killing the bacteria, they are known as antibiotics. And these antibiotics, they are naturally produced, penicillin, by the fermentation of different fungal microorganisms. So here, this fertilizer microorganisms, they play a very important role in producing volatile and non-volatile antibiotic chemicals, and these chemicals will protect the plant from decay and from any other pathogen to attack. So this also helps a lot in the growth and health of the plant. Volatile antibiotic chemicals protect the plant root and root hairs. So here number 4, the soil salinity refers to the presence of high concentrations of soluble salts in the soil moisture of the plant root zone. So if there is a high concentration of soluble salt around the root and root here, that is called root zone of the plant, that is called soil salinity. And these concentrated soluble salts, through their high osmotic pressure, they create high osmotic pressure. These ions which are around the root and root hair in the soil affect natural plant growth by restricting the uptake of water. So once they are present around the root and root hair with osmotic pressure, they will restrict the large quantity of water intake, rather than they will allow those nutrient ions uptake to the plant. This is very interesting thing, and this liquid organic fertilizer plays important role in improving the soil salinity. And roots and salinity can also affect plant growth with balanced absorption nutritional ions. So that is very important role of organic liquid fertilizer. Number 5, liquid organic fertilizer is eco-friendly biocontrol agent. Is eco-friendly, it is not having any toxic effect, and it is always having positive impact on the soil, and that is your eco-friendly biocontrol agent, and is capable to produce a wide range of lysine enzymes. Lysine enzymes to inhibit the phytopathogens. So this enzyme, lysine enzyme, is produced, and that is actually can inhibit and can destroy the phytopathogens which are harmful to plants by producing antibiotics. That I have already told you that this organic fertilizer in liquid form, once it is applied, it can enhance the production of antibiotics, and that antibiotic will protect the plant from toxic pathogens. And then by producing antibiotics and competing for nutrients, hence the plant growth starts after 5 application of liquid organic fertilizer in soil through irrigation. So this change of plant growth healthy we will notice when it is applied 5th time. Once 5th time it is applied, after a few months, 2-3 months time, we will notice such type of change. And even in the long run, I always say it will improve drastically the health of your soil. Soil will be healthy, will be rich in nutrients, microorganisms, and that is reported recently. Liquid organic fertilizer in soil through irrigation. And recently in India, it is reported that treatment of soil by organic liquid fertilizer after 6 months, the pH of the soil will go from 6.22 to 7.14, means from slightly acidic to slightly alkaline or neutral. Also the organic carbon will increase from 0.42 to 0.65%. Nitrogen will increase from 73 to 95%. Phosphorus will increase from 63 to 73%. And potassium from 253 to 290%. The microbial load, that is very interesting. The microbial load will increase drastically, exponential increase, that is from 10 to power 3 to 10 to the power 14, more than trillion. So there will be drastic or exponential growth of microorganisms in the soil, and that will make your soil very healthy. I call it health of the soil. Just like we human beings, once all nutrients, all the vitamins, minerals are there, then we are healthy. In the same way, when all the nutrients, all the microbes, they are present in the soil, soil is porous, soil is humid, soil is slightly alkaline or neutral, then we call it that the soil is healthy and health of the soil is okay. So to bring the eco-agriculture revolution or eco-agriculture green revolution, we are both are winner. Farmers are benefited and people are benefited. Actually, let me add here. India is having more than 300 million ton production of food grain. But still in India, today, 23% of Indians, they cannot afford those food grains. They are so costly. Otherwise, whatever food grain is produced in India, there should not be anybody hungry without food. But they cannot afford. So here the main challenge for all scientists, chemists, agriculturists is not the production of the food grain. affordability. People should afford. So to afford the food grain, the cost of production should be cheap. So it is high time for eco-agriculture revolution. Globally, we should shift to organic farming, where we can improve our soil health for long duration of time, for many years, so that it will produce lot of food grain without putting much synthetic fertilizers, insecticides, which are very costly. Where the 70% of the money goes for this synthetic fertilizer and chemicals. So if the farmers, they are skilled, who can produce this organic solution culture, what we call it, organic liquid fertilizer, they can prepare themselves without any cost, without any infrastructure. So they can drastically reduce the cost of production of food grain, which is very important. Even in Nigeria also, the cost of the production of food grain is so high that common man, the poorest of the poor, cannot afford. Eating of the rice today in Nigeria looks like luxury. Millions of tons of rice is imported. So, we have to shift our farming, new technology towards organic based fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, and all products, so that we can reduce drastically the cost of production. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.